Show is that every week we highlight schools from all over the country, and now we direct our ATS compass to the students from the cool, cool hills of Manchester. Give it up for Mile Gully High School!
All right, Mile Gully, let me just state out from the onset, I really like your blend, and I like your energy, and I like your excitement. However, I found that what the band was playing was not always consistent with what we were singing, especially in the area of if if what you're thinking is not right, the musicians are going to a two. I think you're in E flat minor, right? So the musicians are going to F minor, but you're singing a B flat major. So the notes were clashing. By the way, your lead singers really hit me deep.
Mile Gully, I enjoyed your expression and your performance tonight. I have a little problem with the lowest part. Maybe it was a little low for them. So every time you reach, could you be loved and be loved? They went off, they went sharp. And because it came up so often in the song, it was consistently off, right? But I am so happy to see you and those beautiful solo singers and everything. I have great hopes for this choir.